Why do you kiss the ground I walk on? You should be spitting on my grave. I'm so tired. If I could just rest. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. Yes. So he's here, is he? No, that doesn't matter. He didn't have much time for the theatre. Made fun of my ambitions. It wore me down. The rows, the jealousy, and then the baby. All the worry. My acting went to pot. I didn't know what to do with my hands, how to walk, use my voice. You've no idea how it feels like when you know you're acting badly. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not right. Do you remember when you shot that seagull? Then one day, a man comes along and for want of anything better to do, he destroys her. An idea for a short story. No, that's not right. What was I saying? Oh, yes, the theatre. But the things have changed. I'm making a go of it. I feel I finally know what to do, how it works. That I can go out there and nail it, revel in it, just being good. Coming back has helped in a way, given me a chance to walk and think. And do you know what? I finally know Kostya. Finally understand that whatever our work is, writing, acting, it's not about fame or fortune or any of the things we used to dream about. It's the strength to keep going. Take up your cross and have faith. That's what I've done. Then the rest doesn't hurt so much. And when I think about my vocation, I'm not afraid anymore.